guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about some basic information about FlashCal from SUPERCHIPS. This is made specifically for the Jeep Wrangler JK and JKU 2007 up to 2017. So if you guys are interested in ordering one of these, make sure you get the F5, it says right there. I think this is the upgraded version. There was a previous version, so this one has, like, I think more memory, more options inside, better and bigger LCD screen display. So the reason I got this is to recalibrate my speedometer with my bigger tire size. As you guys know, I upgraded, I have 35s on right now, and the next step has to be re-gearing the axles. And keep in mind, after re-gearing the axles, you're gonna have to do this step all over again, recalibrating your vehicle computer to the new axle ratio. But for now, I'm just gonna change the tire size because my gas mileage has been horrible since I upgraded the wheels, and the RPMs on the vehicle is like all over the place. So the power source for this is from your vehicle, so all you have to do is plug it in. I'm guessing just follow the instructions on the screen, so let's do this right now. In case one of you guys don't know where to plug this in, it's right there under your dash, the driver's side. Oh, there you go. It's this guy right there. There you go. Just follow the prompts on the screen. I have to say the display is very, like, the colors are very vivid, very clear. I'm loving the display on this thing. Press OK to select. Turn ignition on. Holding your vehicle application. Please wait. Establishing connections. There you guys go. Okay, there you go. Here we have the list of options, things we can edit, things we can turn on and off and change. This is really cool. Engine idle, tire size. So that's what we need to change. Press OK. So this is the original factory size, which is 31 inches. We need to go all the way up to 35. 32, 33, there we go, 35. Press OK. Here we go. Please wait. Ignition off. Press OK when done. Please wait. Resetting, please wait. Ignition on. So tire size modified. Cool. So let's check the tire size just to make sure. Tire size 35. There you go.